Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. She said hello to you? Hello. What do you think, Mama? Is this a bad idea or a good idea?
It's a good idea. We'll have
Yeah?
fun.
Where are we going?
Fun. We're going to Animal Adventures in Bolton. And we're going to pet some animals, learn about their habitat, their food, all kinds of stuff.
So we're going to pet some animals. That's our goal for today. So this place we're going in Bolton, this is the same place they had the animals at Kimball Farms, where we went a couple weeks ago. They've got a full-fledged animal rescue place down the street from Kimball Farms, so I'm gonna go check it out. Avery, what do you see?
A little white mushroom.
A mushroom?
Look, I see a little white mushroom.
Oh, it is a mushroom. Cool.
Look, I found a mushroom right over here.
Wow.
Emery, you look good, buddy.
All right.
Look.
Ready?
Styling. Is this the new Yeezy line?
Dinosaur.
The dinosaur, Emery. Look.
Look.
The dinosaur. Come on, let's go.
It's a ladder to climb up.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Wee.
Shake her.
Hello. Hello. She just rang her bell.
Mama,
She's pretty, huh?
he's a cat.
Hello.
She said
hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. She said hello to you. Hello. Hello. Say hello, Red.
Hello, Red.
Used to her new home.
Whoa.
Whoa. Are we? Whoa.
Okay, they're eating peppers. Avery loves peppers and apples, huh? So do goats. Listen to how he eats. He's loud, huh? You hear him? He sounds like Daddy when he eats, huh?
This goat is like coming to check out your dead cat.
What's up, goat? Step off me, dog.
Oh, there's a
Emery, look, he's got strawberries. Do you think he'd give you one?
one.
You say, can I please have a strawberry?
Help me.
Strawberry. Oh! That bird's being silly, huh? Oh, don't nip at me. I see you. Look at, he sees my dead cat. He's like, yo, let me grab a little taste of that.
1997, it actually started out as a crocodilian rescue. And when I say crocodilian, it's just a big fancy word for alligators, crocodiles, caimans, and gharials. Now Morris is a domestic ferret. Does anybody know what that word means? And when he was born, he was about this big. He looked like a little black cotton ball.
Emery was starting to lose it a little bit in the animal show. He was insistent upon touching the black snake. Wasn't gonna happen. All right, you wanna go check out the giants?
Wait, that one's bigger.
Holy cow.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this one.
No, thank you. Check him out. Say hi. Hi. Well, Animal Adventures in Bolton, Mass. It's a good time. Pretty awesome place. They're doing a good thing. Basically, they take in kind of abandoned animals. Folks who bought reptiles like alligators, snakes, any kind of animal that they didn't quite realize what they were taking on when they bought it. They kind of surrender them to these folks who take care of them, and through donations and stuff, they're able to feed them and put on little shows and stuff, entertain people. Awesome place, worth the money. Go check them out. Support a good cause. Almost.
Get it, Daddy!
Oh, those shots look pretty sweet, huh? Got a new monopod, new tripod, and a fancy new 24-70 2.8 lens. Some of the shots at the end there were shot with that bad boy. This whole videography thing, somewhat addicted. It's time to go all in. Right, Amanda?
Yep, right.
Pretty much going all in at this point.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
Just do it!